I recently asked Chat GPT to turn $100 into $10,000 fast, and this is what it said me. There is no guaranteed or foolproof way to turn $100 into $10,000 quickly through trading. So I decided to be more specific with my question. I went ahead and asked it to create the best trading strategy using AI for TradingView. And still it said many things that were not very clear, such as machine learning. These are the kind of indicator videos that is currently going absolutely viral. I had also mentioned that the strategy's goal is to turn $100 into $1,000 fast. By this we know that AI is not able to help me with that. At this point I knew I couldn't rely on ChatGPT to make money from trading, so I went ahead and tested 2 of my TradingView indicators, which I never knew could be used as double confirmations. After back testing these 2 indicators in different time frames, I found out something really amazing. Before I proceed to show you the 2 indicators, I would like to highlight some of the successful trades that were executed recently in the EUR/USD currency pair. Using this particular combination of indicators resulted in a 60% success rate, with 6 out of 10 trades ending in a win. Now you all might be thinking this is a pretty bad strategy, but wait. I'm sure you all have not noticed the stop loss that is used in this strategy. Now that I have mentioned about stop loss, I remembered. I forgot to tell you this is a scalping strategy. So take out your pens and note down the points that I will be sharing in this video. So head to TradingView and select the stock, forex pair, or cryptocurrency that you wish to trade. Go to the indicators section and search for 2 specific indicators: the volume weighted average price VWAP and the Ripstry EMA clouds. Once these 2 indicators are successfully applied, access the VWAP settings and disable both the upper and lower bands along with bands fill number 1. Then go to Ripstry EMA clouds setting and turn off everything except MA2. Now that you have applied the indicators, it's time to trade. But remember what I had said earlier, this is a scalping strategy. So we will use this only in 5 minutes time frame. The rules are very simple and easy to follow. The green and red cloud you see gives buy and sell signals, but these are not very much reliable to use. So to get better results we have used VWAP also. So once a healthy green candle closes above VWAP, and if the Ripstry EMA cloud is also giving us a buy green signal, we can enter a buy position with a stop loss of recent swing low and take profit of 1:2. Let me show you another example of buy position, which will make this more clear. If you see over here, a bullish candle closing was made, but Ripstry EMA cloud was not giving green signal, so later, once the green signal was given by the cloud, we initiated a buy position with 1:2 ratio. Please remember the stop loss in this strategy is very important. That is why you must always place the stop loss, cause this setup will be formed many times during day. For sell entry the rules are opposite. The price must be closed below VWAP and the Ripstry EMA cloud must give red signal. Once all these rules are fulfilled, you can take a sell position with stop loss above recent high and take profit of 1:2 ratio. Also don't forget to drop a like and comment. If you want more such strategies,